y'all, it's Victoria from Lippy Lovers. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for those of you who already subscribed to me. I'm gonna be doing a super huge Tory Burch giveaway. The only people who are gonna be eligible are people who are already subscribed. So hit that subscribe button and I'll be announcing what the giveaway is very soon. I'm gonna be talking about our SHADOWSENSE today. It is a cream to powder eyeshadow. It's super blendable, it lasts all day, it's water resistant. You can rub your eyes and it's not gonna go anywhere. And just like LipSense, it's totally smudge proof. This shadow look is super easy to do. It's great for every day. As you can see, you can dress it up with falsies and wear it going out to dinner, or you can wear it going around town running errands. It's something super simple that'll take you 5 minutes to do. Since SHADOWSENSE is a cream to powder product, it comes in a tube with a doe foot applicator. I find that it's best to use a brush on the applicator to remove the product. So here I'm using a basic shading brush. To get a little bit more color payoff, I'm using a patting motion to apply it and then blending out. A little bit goes a long way with this product. Pink Frost is going to help to hide any of the veins in my eyelids, and it's also going to be a great base color. Next, I'm going to be using a blending brush for my crease. I'm taking the product off my doe foot applicator and blending it in a V shape into just above my crease. I do this because I have hooded eyes and I like to give the illusion that my eyes are a little larger. I like to do my crease before my transition color because it helps me to blend even more with my transition color to give it a really soft look. It does have a high color payoff since this product is cream to powder, and I find that I can easily get my crease too dark if I do it after my transition color. This is what it looks like before I apply the transition color. For the transition color, I'm using another basic shading brush and taking product off the doe foot applicator and just patting it between where the crease color and my base color meet. This is the finished SHADOWSENSE look. I'm not going to be focusing on application for eyeliner or mascara or lashes today, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like beforehand. So I'm going to throw on the rest of my makeup and show you guys the completed look. Here's the totally completed look. I've got my black lash sense, my black lash extend, and my eyelashes from Lashes Everlasting on. Y'all know I'm all about the lashes, so I had to add some falsies. I got lash glue on me. But you can absolutely do this look with just mascara. I'm gonna put a link to all the brushes I used in the description. What do you guys think of the combo? Is it something you would wear? What are your favorite SHADOWSENSE combos to wear? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things SeneGence. Babe, stop.
I'm giving you some better ways to say it.
That's how I said it.
No, you didn't.
Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Lippy Lovers.